So let's look at these numbers individually. Let's look at 1378. 1378, there are 4 digits in there, 1, 3, 7, 8. And these are the indices of these prime numbers. Okay? So the primes with the indices 1, 3, 7, 8 are 2, 5, 17, and 19. The product of these prime numbers are 32, 30, and chapter, oops, I made a mistake here. Chapter 32 has 30 verses. Okay, so I have to change it on the website. Okay. More importantly, 1378, not more importantly, but just as important, 1378 happens to be the 341st triprime. 341 is equal to 11 times 31, and 11 31st prime is 9127. So you see, it connected, this number connected the fact that chapter 32 has 30 verses to chapter 9 having 127 verses. Always done like this, okay? 2131 is the 168th prime number. 168 semi-prime is 538, and 538 non-chin prime is 9127. God is not letting this go. Okay? 708 is the 581st composite. 581 is the frequency of the uses of pause, scene, meme in chapter 28. Now it's linking it to the initials in these different chapters. Then we have number 1131 here, very clearly in orange, right there, 1131. Okay, well, 1131st prime number is 9127. Can you get more direct than that? Okay. Then we have 560. See 560 here? Okay. .560 is 16 times 5 times 7. The number 1657, okay, has many different ways that you can factor this out. Okay? You can factor it as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. Another factorization is 16 times 5, 7. So if you write it like this, then 1657 in base 10 is 9127. I'm sorry, 1657 in base 19 is equal to 9127 in base 10. Now we come to the surah number and verse number 1016. Let's see the 1016. This is really amazing. Okay. 1016 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 127. Okay. The indices of these prime factors are 1, 1, 1, 31. 1, 1, 1, 31 is a prime number, and it happens to be the 1349th prime number. But 1349 is the 1131st composite, and 1131 first prime is 9127. Can you imagine this? And look at the structure of these numbers, okay? There are 2 numbers here that we derived, 11131 and 1131. There is an extra 1 there, okay? In that number that we derived, there's an extra 1. But look at how it actually does it. It brings a smile to your face. That number, 1131, has this property, that if you put another 1 next to it on the other side, it becomes 11,131, and that happens to be a prime number, okay? It happens to be the 1349th prime number, but 1349 is the 1131st composite. And we know that the 1131 is 9127. But you see that the other thing that you also have to appreciate is the following, that this number, 1131, that was mentioned in orange that we just saw here, okay, that is the number of verses revealed in the initial surahs. Okay? So that number, 1131, okay, is actually derived from 1016, which tells you it cannot be any other place. It's supposed to be 1016. Okay. This is absolutely mind-boggling. Absolutely mind-boggling. And the information that we have today did not exist. As I said, 355, I'm not going to talk about it. Okay, maybe I'll talk about it tonight, inshallah. Okay. But again, that's going to take us back to the same thing. So these numbers are basically underneath, they are related to each other. And again, as I said, we have to be grateful to the source of this huge blessing. We should think. We should be appreciative of what God has bestowed upon us. And these are not by accident. This is by divine design that He gives us information and He expects us to act accordingly. And that is the beauty of it, okay? That's what we are, as I said, today, in this universe that we're in today, okay? God has chosen us to have this information, which nobody else has. And we are sharing it with the whole world. So as you see here, that's what we have here. And a lot of people are logging on, and they can see that for themselves. And as I said, they can verify it. It's not something which is hidden or a secret or anything. It's for everybody to verify. So again, let's thank God for this, and now we'll finish on Jummah. Allahu Kabir.